How to assign people to task on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can assign people to numerous tasks on ClickUp. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open your ClickUp, and over here at the left side, you need to select the space where you wish to assign a task to anyone. You can either use any existing space or create a new space. So select the list over here and then select the task which you wish to assign to a person. So for example, if this is this task 1 that I wish to assign to any person, so what I'm going to do is just go to the task 1, and over here you'll be able to see this person type of icon. So just click on it, and here all of the people within your organization, your friends, your colleagues would be listed over here. So what you're going to do is just click on their names and the task would be assigned to them. Now here it's just me, so I'm just going to click on me. And here now you can see that it is being assigned to me, like I am online. So if there are other people over here, you can see whether they're online or they're away, or they're working or busy. So this was how you can assign task to anyone. So if you wish to assign the whole list to anyone, so what you're going to do is come to this list, that is this part 1 over here. So just click on this person icon here and then assign it to any person by clicking on their name. So now you can see that you can either assign the whole list to a person, and all of the tasks within the list will be automatically assigned to the person. So that was how you can assign tasks to a person. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in order to view more helpful tutorials like this in future. See you in the next one.